So I'm here with Joshua Samontanez. He is a software developer in the Event Day team. Joshua, when did you start at RunSignup and why?
So I started to run sign up like around last year. So I started as an intern because I was looking to get some experience for when I graduate from college, and luckily I was able to get accepted with Run Sign Up. And after my internship ends, I just fully committed to Run Sign Up because I like my team, I like the culture. So yeah, I just went into it. I was studying at UCF, so University of Central Florida. I learned a lot from the internship. I mostly worked on the RaceDay check-in and tickets app, adding new features on it. So I gained a lot of experience about doing React Native programming. So it was super helpful for me since I was just starting my career.
Now, was the Event Day team helpful to you in that? Well, obviously, but yeah, I'm trying to. No, they were terrible. Now, how was it communicating with the Event Day team as you were starting that internship?
My team was super helpful, even though we're working remote, and we rarely see each other face to face. We always like do Slack and then huddle if I need some help and get some help like quickly. So we do huddles and stuff, and then like just communicating on Slack channel that we have.
Now, what kind of projects have you worked on in the past 6 months?
For the tickets app, I worked on the update ticket info screen. So it's where they can update their user, like the ticket info, like the first name, last name, ticket number, and some questions. And then on the check-in app, I worked on the medical mode. So that's where they can do the medical check-in or check-out, and then can see the check-in and check-out time, and then view all the details about that participant that is being admitted in medical.
And what kind of projects are you working on now and in the next 6 months?
So currently I'm focusing my work on the series scoring. Series scoring is where you have a list of events, and then you add or combine all the results for a series of race, and then when you combine it, you get one score for each participant. So a few features that I have added was the lowest score win setting. With the lowest score win setting, they can sort it from the lowest score to the highest score. And then I also added the filter option by the number of events on the participant search. And then currently in the future, I'm working on the participant matching updates, and then adding new API endpoints for when we integrate the race day scoring. So I'm working on the get and post non-standard scoring types, and then the uploading scoring results to series scoring from race day scoring. So yeah, that's what I've been working on.
Now, what do you find the greatest strength is of the Event Day team?
What I think is the greatest strength is the communication. When we need some help, someone is always there to answer our questions, or even go further and have a huddle or share the screen. And then yeah, they're my team is nice. Yeah.
Now, do you have any interesting stories you want to share about working here at RunSignup?
When we were on the Isla Morada working with a race event, and during that event there's a high-speed chase going on while the marathon was still ongoing.
So two races going on.
Yeah. So it's kind of like my most unforgettable moment, seeing those police chase the car during the race.
Was it going through the course, or?
Yeah, so the course is on the road, on the side of the road, and then the chase happens on the road itself.
Oh,
and there's
okay.
only one road
Oh, wow.
in Isla Morada, so it's kind of scary. Yeah.
What happened with the end of that chase?
They caught the one they chasing so fast. Yeah,
Now, did you guys time the car too, or just runners?
just the runners.
Well, thanks for talking with us.
Thanks for having me.